Hey guys, we'll start. So I'm going to share my screen. Are you able to see my screen, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is your SAP UGR, right? Or this is your SAP screen. Okay. Okay. Let me check because yesterday two guys they posed for the class. I don't know. I have added them in the group. Guys, just give me a moment. Huh? Yeah, it's Bhumika. Hi, Bhumika. Are you there? Hello, Bhumika. Are you there?
Yes.
Okay. Fine. So first, we will start the configuration by putting the transaction code SPRO Pro. Okay, but before you before we get into SPRO, please understand what is user group. So if you want to give the Nagraju or who is NK, can you mute your mic, guys? Nagraj, mute your mic. Okay, thank you. When you are going to configure the system, first you have to set the user group. Now, how to find the user group? Are you finding a system here tab? Click on the system tab. Go to user profile. Go to own data. Again, I am telling you, go to system tab. Go to user profile. Go to own data. Go to parameter. In parameter, you have to type here UGR. What is UGR? UGR. UGR stands for user group. Again, I am telling you, it is UGR. UGR stands for user group. So, user group will be any double-digit, code. Suppose I'll put user group 40. Okay, anything you can put 10, 20, 30, 40, whatever. Okay, and save it. Now check. I'll go to system, user profile, own data, parameter. You'll find the UGR, user group 40. Make sure that before you start the configuration, user group should set. Okay. Another thing should be saved here, which is known as a MOLGA. MOLGA. MOLGA is nothing but your country grouping. This is also 40. MOLGA is your country grouping. Give me a moment, guys. Fine. Here it is not taking MOLGA. No worry. Okay. So make sure that your user group should set here. So I have already set the user group, which is nothing but your 40. Okay. So what is the definition of user group? You can write it down through user group. Through user
Sir,
group.
excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
So sorry for interruption.
Yes.
Like UGR you have given as 40 no sir. Like how will come to know that it is 40?
What I
How?
told, hold it. What I told you, any code you can give, is it?
Okay, so in the place of 40 we can give only alphabets or numeric also, like only numeric can be given or alphabets also can be given.
Numeric.
Okay, so fine. Thank you.
So write down through user group, the access can be provided to the users. Through user group, the access can be provided to the users. Okay.
What can be provided, Raj?
Access.
Access, right?
Through the access can be provided to the users. Okay. Now we have to get into another one, configuration mode. That day I told you regarding the basic configuration. Today I will revise the same once again, because few new guys joined today, so they should also understand the configuration from the zero itself. Okay, or from the scratch. Okay. The transaction code for the configuration is SPRO. So type SPRO. Once you type SPRO, system will take you to the IMG screen. What is IMG? IMG is nothing but your implementation guide. So once you type SPRO, system will take you to the screen which is nothing but an IMG screen. And IMG stands for implementation guide. Okay. Now, what you can do, you can click on IMG. Then your configuration screen will be open. Now, before you do the configuration, make it clear that you are not going to develop SAP. You are just going to configure SAP based on the customer's requirement. Okay. So you are not going to develop SAP, you are going to configure. Second thing, SAP is a standard product. It is already developed. It is a ready-made cake. Okay. What you need to do? You need to create. You need to understand the business process of the customer and map it in the SAP. Okay. Now there are three structures in SAP HR. So please write it down. There are three structures in SAP HR. Write it down. Enterprise structure, personnel structure, enterprise structure, personnel structure, and organization structure. Enterprise structure, personnel structure, and organization structure. So first we have to create enterprise structure. Okay. So come to enterprise structure. The moment you will open the node, then you will find the subnodes, and you can open one by one subnodes, and then you will get into the configuration, right? So you have to follow the path. I hope the session is getting recorded. Yeah. Whenever you do the configuration, make sure that this configuration is for across world. This is the same configuration. Also, there are country-specific configurations. To enable country-specific configurations, go to additional information, click on country assignments. Again, I'm telling you, go to additional information and click on country assignments. Clear? So once I will click on country assignments, once I'll click on country, it shows these nodes are applicable for all the countries. Oh. So I'm going to configure enterprise structure, because suppose as if you are a SAP HR consultant, then the project manager will give you the instruction that please start the configuration, or please start the basic configuration. Then once you get the system, from where you will start? What is basic configuration? The basic configurations are these three structures. First, you have to configure enterprise structure, then personnel structure, then organization structure. So now I will go to enterprise structure. And under enterprise structure, I will get financial accounting. There I will go and create a company. When you are going to create a company, then this is the execution button. This execution button is applicable. Okay. when you are going to configure the system. And before that, there is a documentation button. If you see, so from this documentation, you will understand the concept. So from this documentation, you will understand the concept. Okay. Now, now I'm going to create a company. To create a company, this is the execution button. Execute it. Now you will get inside the database. Now, go to new entry. So the moment I will go to new entry, the database will be open. Now here, you are going to create the details. First, I have to create the details of the company. So what is company? Company is nothing but the customer for whom I'm going to configure the system, or the customer for whom I'm going to implement the system. Suppose my customer is Wipro or IBM or whatever, maybe. Okay, IBM, and I'll explain it. IBM Limited. Okay, city Bangalore, country India, language की English, currency INR. And if you want, you can also fill this. So these are the minimum information I filled here, and I'll put IBM L. L stands for IBM Limited, and save it. So data was saved. It shows what? The data is saved in the system. Okay. So next time I will come to search my company in this table. So I'll execute how to search my company. I have already created IBM. Okay. Now I want to search it. How to search it? So either you can drag it and search, but that is not the correct way. Correct way is go to the position and put search by the name of IBM Limited, IBM L. Check. You will find IBM Limited. Now select IBM Limited. You want to get inside, you want to see the details, what you have configured. Select IBM Limited and click on detail. Check here. So this is my customer. IBM is my customer. Okay. Am I clear? Everybody, how to create the company?
Yes, Raj.
Others? Am I clear? Everybody?
Yes.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, the next one is, guys, you can call me Raj. So, no problem. No need to call sir and all. Okay. So, in IT, nobody's sir, nobody's student. Okay. I'm just transferring the knowledge, whatever I have, so that you can, learn, utilize that knowledge, and crack the interview, get into the job. That's it. Okay. Fine. Now, define a company code. Company code is nothing but it's a unique code. Every company has a unique company code. Okay. So execute it. Click on company code data. So guys, company code is 4-digit. Company code is what? 4-digit. Okay. Go to new entry. My company code. Suppose my company code for IBM is IBM. It may be alphabetical, it may be numerical, or it may be alphanumerical. So my company code is IBM 9. Suppose I'll create. It's a company code. Every company has a company code, and it's a 4-digit code ideally, and it should be a unique code. It can be duplicated. Okay. Then IBM Limited city, suppose Bangalore, country India. Are you finding a tick mark? The tick mark is nothing but the tick mark is known as mandatory. Okay, so it should be INR. Language should be English. So these are the informations. Again telling you, IBM Limited, the company code I have created IBM 9. Next to that I have described it, IBM Limited, city Bangalore, country India, currency INR, language English. Against the currency there is a tick mark, it shows it is mandatory to fill it. Okay. And save it. The moment I will save, system will give me a pop-up for additional information. Okay. Here, these are the additional information related to the company code. I can put it, but here I have to fill the country. Okay, and the country, because it's mandatory, so country is India. Okay, and enter. Save it. Now check. So I have created a company code also. Next time, if you want to come and search your company code, so click on edit company code data, go to position always, and I will put IBM 9. Check. I got the company code. Okay. You want to get inside, select it, and you will find a detail mark here. Click on this. Am I clear? How to create a company code?
Yes, Raj.
Yes.
Okay. Everybody got the clarity? Okay.
Yes, Raj.
Yes, Raj. Yes.
Good.
Yes, Raj.
Yeah, good. So there is no such programming or coding you are going to do. So no need to be scared. Okay. So now we'll come to human resource management. There we have to create.
Raj,
Yeah.
actually, in SAP FICO, we have the T codes, no? We can use that also here.
Which T code?
For creating company code and all, we have T codes, I mean transparent codes. Can we use it in here?
So which T code you are going to create company code?
I mean,
Can you tell
some
me?
code for creating company
Company code should be configured. Okay. It can be used by T codes.
like company for company 0x, I mean OX15, such kind of codes are there in FICO. Can we use that codes here? Creating company code and all.
You are into IMG scheme, right? What is IMG? Implementation guide. Okay. When you are into configuration mode, then no need to put the T code. Am I clear? Am I clear?
Yes, Raj.
And don't compare FICO here with HR. You will be confused.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Just follow me, whatever I am going to explain. Okay.
Fine.
Fine.
Thank you.
So, human issues management. Check human issues management. Now, under that personal area. So, what is personal area? Personal area are nothing but the branches or the physical locations. Suppose, excuse me. Suppose one company has 10 branches across India. Then those 10 branches are known as personal area. Guys, 1 minute. Now, personal area is nothing but your physical location. Suppose the customer will tell me that he has location in, or maybe he has location in maybe in uh, 30 locations. Okay, so the 30 locations, those are nothing but your what personal areas, because personal areas are nothing but your physical locations. Okay, so please write down the definition. After that, we are going to create the personal area. This is the interview question. Topic by topic, I will highlight the interview questions and answers, right? So please prepare good notes what you are going to follow during your interview. Okay. Okay, write down the heading personal area and write down the highlighted line items, right? And after every class, please download the videos in your respective folders, or else these videos will be archived. Okay? Immediately after the class, download the videos in your respective folders, right? And please prepare your notebook, keep the notebook, pen ready, because every step I am going to highlight the interview question and answers. Am I clear to everybody? Am I clear to everybody?
Yeah, yes, Raj.
Okay, please write it down. Let me know once will be done. Don't be silent. Once will be done, let me know. Yeah, Raj, we are done. Then I can proceed further. Yeah. Don't take the screenshot, guys. You will not understand anything from the screenshots. It will not help you, the screenshots. Once will be done, let me know.
Done, Raj.
Okay. Fine.
One minute, Raj. 1 minute.
No problem. Take your time and write it down.
Raj, only the blue color which you have marked, that only I have to note it down, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Done, Raj.
Guys, we close it. Let's execute. Let me execute. Let me click on personal area. So I'll be inside the database. Here, let me create two personal area. Go to the new entry. Okay. Give me a moment, guys. Suppose personal area IBM Bangalore. Bangalore branch IBM Limited. City Bangalore. Save it. The moment you will save, system will ask you for further information, but nothing is mandatory except nothing is mandatory except country. So country, fine, and enter. Save it. Now go back. Same way. Suppose I have another branch. IBM H Hyderabad. IBM Limited. So it may be, so I have created two branches. It may be 2 or it may be 20, depend upon the real-time business process. Clear? Or it may be 200. So the way I have created 2, the same way I can create 20 or 200. Am I clear? Am I
Yes,
clear?
Raj.
Yes, Raj.
Yes, Raj.
Yes, Raj. Yes.
Good. Now coming to personal sub area. Personal sub area is nothing but your divisions or departments, right? Suppose under personal area there are 4 divisions or 4 departments. Those are nothing but your personal sub area. Okay. Write down the concept. Write on the highlighted line.
Done, Raj.
One second, Raj.
Yes, sir. Yes, Raj. Done.
Okay, done. Then let me create personal sub-area. Execute. Click on personal sub-area. The personal sub-area is the part of personal area. So, coming to personal area, IBMB, check. Now go to new entry. Suppose I have 4 divisions. I'll give the serial number 00001, 0002, 0003, 0004. Suppose I have HR department, finance department, and marketing department. Okay. Now it may be 4 or it may be 40, depend upon the real-time business process. Okay. Save it. Am I clear? Save it. Okay. So the same way, I can go to another one, IBMH, new entry, IBMH, new entry, then 001. Suppose in case of Hyderabad also there are 4 branches. One is IT department. Same Hyderabad HR department, admin department, PMO department. So save it. So for Hyderabad branch, I have created 4 personal sub area. Same for Bangalore. Am I clear? Am I clear?
Yes, Raj. Yes, Raj.
Good. Now guys, coming to employee group. So employee group is nothing but your employee group is nothing but your uh, categories of employee, those who are working in the company. Okay. So we have permanent employee, contract employee. These are nothing but your employee group. Okay. Please write down the definition. Excuse me.
Then Raj.
Okay, it may be we have maybe permanent employee, contract employee. Okay, it may be the employees. Okay, so and the code can be single digit. The code can be single digit. Okay. So if the codes are already there, okay, and so the codes are already there, then in that case, no need to again create the codes. You can rename the codes. Say, I want to use the code 1 to 9 or 1 to 5, but it is already there. So my job is what? To rename it rather than going for new entry. Am I clear? Clear?
Yes, Raj.
So what I'll do, I will. What I'll do, I will permanent rename it. And permanent can't any okay. It shows what? These are the 5 types of employee, those who are working in our organization. Am I clear?
Okay, Raj.
Yeah. Now, employee subgroup. This is very important, guys. Employee subgroup is nothing but your grades. Okay. So, employee subgroup is nothing but your what? But your grades. Okay. So, what are the grades? Execute. This is an interview question. Write down the step. This step. Then after that, write down point number 1, 5, 3, and 5. Write down this definition. After that, the functionality of employee subgroup. Point number 1, 3, and 5. No need to write down 2 and 4. Am I clear? Am I clear?
Okay, Raj.
Let me know once you're done.
Number 1, 2, and 5, right?
1, 3, 5.
135.
135.
Done, Raj?
Let's wait. Others done?
Yes, Raj.
Shall we proceed to configure?
Yeah, please proceed.
Execute. Define employee subgroup. Double digit, 2 digit. Event. Employee subgroup is nothing but a band. Okay. Excuse me. In IBM. Sorry, come again.
Raj, have you stopped?
Screen is not visible.
Screen is not visible.
Yes, I guess you have stopped sharing.
Sound are also getting.
Just a minute. Don't worry. Is it okay now? You want to see the screen?
Yes, we can.
So C, go to execute employee subgroup, define employee subgroup, new entry. It may be alphabetical code or numerical code or alphanumerical code. Say 5B. Say was 5A. New associates. Five B. Training. 6A. Consultant. 6B. Support. suppose maybe $7B. So these are nothing but these are your employee subgroup or grades. It may be I have created 6 grades, it may be 16 or it may be more than that, because the employee grades are huge with respect to different companies. Because suppose we'll go to a manufacturing industry, department wise the employee grades are different. For production department the grades are different. For packaging department the grades are different. HR department the grades are different. For finance department the grades are different. So in that case you are going to create maybe more grades here, right? So the code should be alphabetical or numerical or alphanumerical, and then you can explain it. Okay, so we have created what today? We have created company code, personal area, sub area, employee group, subgroup. And you must be wondering, who is going to give us these informations that we will create personal area, sub area, employee group, subgroup, company code? How you will come to know that? Remember, all these information should be the part of your requirement document and business blueprint. Okay, so customer will provide you all these informations, okay, which should be the part of your business blueprint or design document, or maybe which should be the part of the requirement document. So when you are going to start configuration, make sure that you should have requirement document or business blueprint. By seeing that document, you can start creating. Am I clear?
Yes, Raj.
Yeah, Raj.
Yes,
So
Raj.
okay, so that's it for today, guys. So thank you very much. Good night. Take care and bye bye.
Hello, Raj.
Yes.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't have the login ID and the password. How can I practice this? Because this all seems to
You
be
have
very new to
you.
me.
Yeah, no problem. No problem. You have to discuss with Praveen. I believe you are from H Source, right?
Your voice is not audible. Voices.
Okay. Shall I call you back in your number? So what's up? Is it okay?
Yeah, you can call me back. Thank you. Thank
Okay,
you so
guys.
much.
Thank you
Bye.
very much,
Good
guys.
night.
Good night. Take care and bye bye.
Okay, Raj.
Good
Thank
night.
you. Good night.
Good night.
Good
Bye.
night.